I haven't used a debit card in over 10 years. And being completely honest, I don't even remember my debit card PIN. In fact, not using a debit card has actually been one of the best financial decisions that I've ever made. We first need to understand the fundamental differences between a credit card and a debit card. A credit card functions as a loan that you can then use to make purchases. When you use a credit card, you're essentially borrowing money from the credit card issuer, and you're then agreeing to repay it with interest. On the other hand, you have debit cards that are linked directly to your checking or your savings account, and they allow you to access the funds that you already have in that account. In simpler terms, credit cards involve using borrowed money, whereas debit cards use your own money. Now, let's discuss 3 compelling reasons why I believe credit cards are a better choice compared to using a debit card. The first reason being the enhanced protection of a credit card. One of the significant benefits of a credit card is the extra protection they provide against fraud. Let's take a look at this chart from the FTC, which highlights the contrasting treatments of credit cards and debit cards in case of loss or theft. If you report your credit card lost before any unauthorized charges occur, you are not liable for those charges. In the unfortunate event that your credit card is used before you report it, the maximum amount you would be responsible for is usually around $50. With debit cards, the situation is different. If you report the loss before any unauthorized charges, you won't be liable for anything. However, if you report it within 2 business days, the maximum liability is $50. And if you report it after 2 business days, but within 60 days of receiving your statement, the maximum liability rises to $500. However, if you take longer than that 60 days to report the issue, you may be responsible for all the money taken from your debit card account, as well as any other linked accounts that your debit card was attached to. It's evident that credit cards offer superior protection against fraud compared to debit cards. In case someone steals or hacks your debit card, they gain access to your funds. In contrast, if a similar incident occurs with a credit card, the perpetrator is accessing the bank's money, not yours. Additionally, credit cards offer additional protection benefits such as extended warranty, travel insurance, purchase protection, ID theft protection, and even some cell phone protection, among other protections. The second reason why credit cards are superior is that they build credit. One significant drawback of using a debit card is that it doesn't help you build credit. Credit is crucial in today's world as it affects various aspects of your financial life, from your car payments to your mortgage rate to interest rates and even insurance premiums. By using a credit card responsibly, you directly borrow money from the issuer and your activity is reported to the 3 major credit bureaus. This reporting helps you build positive credit history, which is essential for obtaining favorable rates and financial opportunities. For instance, let's consider the impact of a good credit score on a home purchase. A good credit score qualifies you for a lower interest rate. That's really important right now, especially with interest rates increasing, which can result in a substantial saving. So for example, on a $300,000 house, a 1% difference in an interest rate can save you close to $189 per month on your payment. That's $2,268 per year and a staggering $68,040 over the course of the 30-year mortgage. Credit cards provide you a straightforward way to build credit, earn rewards, and potentially save thousands of dollars on various expenses. The third reason why credit cards are better is that they offer rewards and benefits. Credit cards offer a wide range of rewards, such as cash back, credit benefits, and even discounts. These rewards are funded through the fees and interest charged to the cardholders and merchants by the credit card issuers. By using credit cards responsibly, you can take advantage of these rewards without incurring any additional costs. Common rewards offered by credit cards include cash back, points for merchandise, or even travel, discounts on specific products or services, access to exclusive events or experiences, the list goes on and on. Additionally, many credit cards offer sign-up bonuses for new members, allowing you to earn extra rewards just by meeting certain spending requirements. To fully benefit from these rewards, it is crucial to use your credit card responsibly. Paying your balances on time, never missing a payment, and keeping your credit utilization under 30% are essential practices. And only use credit cards for purchases that you can afford to pay back. Credit cards provide superior protection against fraud, they enable you to build credit, and they offer a wide range of rewards and benefits. These are all things that your debit card is not doing for you. By using credit cards responsibly, you can optimize your financial situation and potentially save a significant amount of money on everyday expenses. Please comment below what you think about debit cards versus credit cards. And as always, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to stay up to date with future uploads. And if you're interested in learning about Apple's new high yield savings account, check out this video here.